Hello, beautiful people. Yes, I know. Another video. Just so many news that are popping up. Thanks for having watched the live today. Thanks for always supporting my videos. Yes, thanks for the super chats and the PayPal donations. The ones I haven't responded to via email is because I did not get the email address in the donation. I just got your kind message. So please include your email so I can email you to thank you. So thank you very much. And yes, I wanted to do this video because there's a few things that are happening right now. One of those things is that CD and I are on speaking terms. Sort of. Actually, are we on speaking terms? Yeah, mi amor, you can kiss me. You can kiss me. I love you. Yes, we are on speaking terms. Sorry, go on. So, one of the things that are incredible, you know, there are statutes of limitations on when to introduce a lawsuit or to sue people for a reason, right? And those are pretty strict. So now we have that Harry is been granted to take one of the newspaper, because let's not forget, I think he has three separate lawsuits from three different papers. He's been allowed, the lawsuit has been allowed to go to trial, in spite of the fact that the judge has admitted that Harry, basically, his facts are concerning. Number two, that, you know, the witness has said that he never signed a statement, so there could be potentially witness tampering, submitting a document that they fully know was perjury. But the most important of it all, well, no, not really. Well, yeah, and the judge, one of the reasonings I think it's been given is that Harry was in Afghanistan, so he really didn't know which newspaper was what. There's a very, very unmovable legal principle, which is ignorance is not a legal defense anywhere in the world. Harry had lawyers who were representing him. So this is absolutely bollocks at all. And number four, the statute of limitation has elapsed. You know, oops, he can sue. It's incredible that the courts impart justice in the name of the monarch. That's what they do. You know, they are allowing this to go to trial, waste people's money. Not the UK, because I believe this is a private lawsuit, you know, like a defamation lawsuit, a civil lawsuit, but still wasting people's time, setting precedents, instead of telling Harry, no, he's a vexatious litigant. He keeps suing people in the United Kingdom for things that happened years ago. It seems that Harry can't let go. Is he that desperate for money? So I am absolutely shocked. To me, I may be wrong. To me, this is a way for Charles, because, you know, Charles, we know what happened with Meghan when she committed perjury in that trial in the by stopping it from going to trial. It's really funny that they allow Meghan to not go to trial based on lies. And here, it's been allowed to go to trial based on lies again. Harry's in this case. You know, Meghan was allowed not to go to trial because of her lies, and then it was found out that she lied. And Harry's been, now it's the opposite. It's been allowed to go to trial based on his lies, because everybody knows that he's lying. He was fully aware of the lawsuit because he knows details of somebody else's outcome and deals that they did, which is actually confidential. And I don't think he was authorized to violate a confidentiality agreement made on behalf of two separate parties. I still don't understand that part, how that's been allowed to stand and how that's been allowed to continue, not to be, you know. It doesn't matter what agreement Prince William had with the press, whatever. That was Prince William's confidential agreement, which was not made public for a reason. It was a confidential out-of-court agreement. And the most outstanding thing here is that we have Omid Scobie being called in as a witness. Witness to what? Omid Scobie did not know Harry at the time that this thing was ongoing, unless Omid Scobie was a participant in that and he was hired by somebody to write and tell stories, or he's going to denounce his sources. I don't see why Omid is going to be there. I mean, what is the purpose of having Omid Scobie there? Omid Scobie is a sycophant idiot who spews lies through his mouth and ass. You don't even know which one, his mouth, he doesn't speak. His shit's all over people. And I'm sorry I'm being crass. But why would Omid be there? To testify that Harry in 2020 didn't know anything? Omid Scobie has also lied to the court. He lied to the courts when he said that Meghan Markle and Harry had not contributed to the book when he knew they did. I don't understand why Omid is not being called for perjury. So my only conclusion to this is that why is the judge allowing this to go to trial when there are serious legal statutes and precedents and rules that say this cannot go to trial? It has already expired. The statute of limitation has more than enough expired. Ignorance is not a legal defense. Harry has admitted that he wasn't that ignorant because he knew there were deals ongoing. And not only that, even the judge has admitted that Harry's facts are lies. And his star witness is Omid Scobie. Nobody seems to be concerned about this. So my only thing that I have here is that the monarch has instructed the judge to allow this to go to trial, to award Harry some serious cash, because that's a way of if Harry wins this case, it screws the president of the United Kingdom even more, and we know that Charles wants to do that. He doesn't believe in free press. So we're going to have that there. We're going to have the press, serious legal precedents of basically allowing frivolous lawsuits when the judge knows that these lawsuits they do not meet the legal requirements to go ahead. Yet he's allowing it. That's a horrible legal precedent. Okay? So I'm wondering if this is a way for Charles to give money to his son by screwing the press. Because it doesn't make any legal... I mean, I've been trying to look where this is going, but it's not. Harry's claiming that because he was in Afghanistan, he didn't know. Omid is his witness? This is in 2012 that we're talking about here. And the press has pointed out that some of the stories that they printed were taken from on-the-record interviews that Harry gave and royal sources. So I wonder if this is a way for Harry to force the reporters, the royal reporters, to divulge their sources. It is actually quite a scary thing that's happening right now. And it's actually very dirty. This has something of, absolutely fraud, absolute nepotism it's going on here. Because Meghan Markle won her right not to take the case to court, in spite of the fact that the press had very, very, very good reasons to take her to court and should have been allowed to be taken to court based on Meghan Markle's lies. And then what does the judge say? Oh, the Duchess misremembered. That's on record. That now there's a legal precedent that Meghan Markle has been allowed to set in the United Kingdom courts by saying you can commit perjury and you're going to call it misremembering it. Now, what is Omid going to testify to? What is Omid going to testify to? Unless we suddenly find out that Omid has been very good friends with Harry for a long time. So that will be another tie into the Meghan Markle debacle and links to Harry. Because what is Omid going to say? Please give me your thoughts. Do you think Charles is involved somehow to make sure that Harry wins in order for him to get a lot of cash? That's a way to launder money in a way. What do you think is happening? I mean, these judges in the United Kingdom are actually really, really screwed up. And I mean, and the fact that the newspaper started with an apology for one time hiring some guy and they paid him £75, why would they do that? Harry and Meghan and Omid Scobie have been violating the privacy, people's confidential deals very publicly without any consequences. You tell me what's going on.